we've moved down to Campbell River and Spirit Square, and we're just going to walk around through the farmers market here. I think it's the farmers market.
There, give them all a try. There's a little garbage bag here if you need it.
Vanessa?
Hey, Brent.
You were your man the other day.
Oh, yeah. No, he's not my man anymore.
Wow, it's big money.
Yeah. We'll go this way, shall we? Yeah. Oh, over, yeah. This is nice. They closed off the street. Now we've got a nice open market.
I think so.
I took you a bit, didn't you? I know, I looked at some
I do. It's nice. I just have so much lotion at home that I'm not using.
All done with lasers or something.
Your rocks.
Nice.
My favorite sometimes.
Donkey goat soap.
Let's see the face, though.
Face paint? Oh, very good. Slide it over here.
Keep moving on down. I didn't like it.
No, I don't need it.
You have rice too. This is cooked. It's a special kind of rice. It's called la basmati rice. It's
Oh, that's what happens. Everybody ends up collecting the phones.
See you later. Oh, calm down, Lynn.
Right. Not a place to come when you're hungry, eh? All that lovely cakes. All those lovely doggies. Yeah. Maybe he's a pigeon. Yeah. Yeah. You walk back the other way? Yeah, I think he's allergic to pigeons.
He was still sniffing.
Yeah.
Did he get?
I've never seen him do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody smells bad.
Yeah, he said he's upset because he ain't a real pigeon.
That one looks angry.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Hi, how are you?
I don't know, but
Enjoying the market so far? Good. A beautiful day for Yeah, it is, yes. Better today than Tuesday. Tuesday is going to be really hot. Yes, it is. Yeah. I don't have a mini. Yeah.
just next to you, there's like a mechanic shop.
Never goes right, and usually it's normal, and some days it's like, it was perfect. When I got
Oh yeah, and puppets. Yeah. Where today?
Give one to Rover.
Yeah, they're good in Africa, they are. Imagine coming out with that in Africa.
I know.
We're gonna head over to Shoppers.
Steve likes those jokes.
Yeah,
Should buy one for Steve. Oh, basta.
they're not bad, eh?
You have Xmas. You should use that. Did you bring those seeds from the village? You can make soap.
I might have them in my room somewhere.
Yeah, it was in the backpack.
I think some of them got spilled out because they were just.
Yeah, we were moving to many places.
Beach
So.
glass. camera's warming up.
Careful, doesn't overheat.
Yeah, I better turn it off.
I can wear the XL too. Cute.
So I'm gonna spend $5 on a tiny jar and go, oh, I don't like crystal vodka.
People are so talented.
I know.
I can understand the
Nice.
This one looked like him. She had that bottle before, remember?
Yeah, I don't know if you still got it. Yeah,
That was from that.
drive. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, two.
yeah. I bet she might still have them in her room.
You get some idea like this. You know what to use the bottles.
Yeah. There's canning normal jars.
Like little like Mexico. Yeah, $50 for that jar.
Wow.
But probably takes a long time to make it.
Yeah.
You'll make your money go. You can go through there and check it out.
Yeah, but there's good taste.
There's the liberation of Canada. Thank you, Canada, from the Dutch. We've got Remembrance Day here on November 11th. There's the cenotaph right there. Reckon they're done with lasers. Yeah, I know, it's crazy. Eva's got to be careful.
Yes. He does those things.
Yeah?
She was done. She's gonna go.
Five for $20. $4 a bag.
All dressed, you said.
Looks like they're getting set up for some music over there. Oh, salmon. Smoked gourmet salmon. Look at it.
Yep.
Eve? Yeah. Grab a bit for me. Thank you. Oh my god. Hot smoke.
Peppered on the plate. That's tasty.
Oh my god. That is good. I'm getting the smoker out today.